So this is my view while I am doing my makeup. I'm starting off with something that is similar to Anastasia's Dip Brow, but it's a cheaper version. I got it from the beauty supply store. It's pretty good, dries pretty quick. That's its only downfall, dries quicker than Dip Brow, but I still like it. So I'm just gonna fill them in like I normally do. I'm not gonna go into too much detail. I can make a separate video if needed. Alright, so to clean up underneath the brows, I'm going in a Bobbi Brown concealer with a shade lighter than my skin tone. And then on top, I'm gonna go in with my Double Wear foundation, which is, I think I'm 1-in-1. Then I'm gonna use this to clean up the top of the eyebrows. No surprise here, I'm gonna prime my eyes using Soft Ochre Paint Pot from MAC. This is definitely my favorite, especially if you happen to have oily lids the way that I do. For eyeshadow, I'm gonna start with the Morphe 39A palette, the Dare to Create. I'm going to take this shade and I'm just going to blend it into my crease until I get the desired intensity that I'm looking for. And now I'm going to go into this ColourPop Dream Straight palette and I'm going to take this shade. I'm going to use it to blend out the edges of the fuchsia shadow that I just applied before. So usually I do this the other way around, but I saw another YouTuber doing it this way and I wanted to try it out. It actually came out pretty good. I may try this technique again. But usually I would have put down the transition shade first, that lighter color, and then went in with the pink. Now here, because I lost a bit of that pink shade, I'm going to go and take more. And I'm going to add this purple from the Natasha Denona palette. The only reason I'm adding this purple is because I wanted to change the tone of the pink. So I really like the pink, it's pretty, but I just wanted it to be a different tone. I'm going to go in with this darker shade, which was also from the 39A palette. And I'm just going to deepen up the crease. I'm starting off with a pencil brush, but then I'm going to go back into my blending brush to kind of diffuse the shade a little more. Now I'm going in with the concealer. And I went in and out of frame a few times, so I tried to just cut those parts out, but now I'm just going to cut my crease. I cannot remember which concealer I used here. Going back into this palette, I'm going to cover my lid with this shade here. And then I'm going to add in the purple from the Natasha Denona palette. And then the pink from the 39A palette, as well as that deep burgundy shade from the palette too. So I'm just going to build those colors up and intensify the corner of the eye there. Now I'm just going to go in with a felt tip marker for liner. Some mascara and then lashes. These are I Envy and they're super wispy, very full, very comfortable. Also got these at the beauty supply store. And then after I'm finished with the eyes, I kind of cut the video off. My kids were up walking around when I was doing my face, so I just have to find a better place to film, but that's it for this eye look.